Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix Acrobat fail to load code DLL dynamic link library. So based on a helps.adobe.com. So the issue is when you launch Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader, the following error occurs. This error may occur due to missing or corrupted DLL files. So this is the step to the troubleshoot. You can repair the installation. You can repair the installation to replace any missing or corrupt files. You can select three stripes at the top, then help, repair installation, and the dialog that appears, select yes, and go to Windows Control Panel, Program and Feature, and select Adobe Acrobat from the list, and then select repair. Second, you can disable protected mode. You can launch the Adobe Acrobat and select preferences. This is the preferences page. Then you can from the left menu you can select security, enhance, and under sandbox protection uncheck this, enable protected mode at startup, then select OK. And step 3, you can verify location on installed application. Step 4, you can uninstall and reinstall. So if you are removing Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can use the Acro Cleaner tool from the Adobe Labs itself. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the next button below. See you in the next video.